Okay, everyone, we're going to go ahead and jump into the first section of this tutorial entitled, Who is Coach Chris? Now, why did I decide to start with this section? To feed my ego? To try to impress you? No, not at all. I think it's very important that whenever we seek knowledge from someone, we seek information from someone, especially if we're paying for it, that we really believe that the person knows what they're talking about. You know their experience, you know their history, you know what they believe in, and so you can feel confident that I know what I'm talking about. My experience is real, and I've actually done all the things that I'm talking about, and that the information you're going to take from this is valuable, it's useful, it's practical, and it's stuff that you can implement to make you a better coach. So, in order to do that and build that relationship, we're going to start with my professional experience with youth sports, my personal experience with youth sports, my history as an educator, why I decided to create Coach Chris Sports and CoachChrisSports.com, and try your best, learn, have fun, which is my coaching philosophy when it comes to youth sports. It's the foundation of CoachChrisSports.com, and it's very, very important. You will see it throughout this entire tutorial. So go ahead and write it down now because you're going to be hearing a lot about it. Now, we're going to go ahead and get through to the slide section of the tutorial, where we're going to go slide by slide, and you're going to get a lot of information. You're going to learn about me. When we're done with the slide portion, I'll be back with a quick little video to wrap up this section and get you into section 2.